Plane sounds louder for some reason. Might just be me though.
My headset's noise canceling, so I can't even really hear it.
What? I need one of those.
All I hear is you.
That would be nice.
Alright, man. Full power. Give her the beam. Instruments are good. Airspeed's good.
55, rotate.
Good takeoff. And the 2000 we can turn off towards the north. 215?
15 and 14 days.
Okay, nice. Follow traffic, Skyhawk 53226, departing the pattern to the north. 15, the big 1-5.
Yeah.
Coming up on that driver's license birthday soon, man.
Yeah. I don't know how I'll be. Like, am I going to be not a bad driver because I fly, or am I going to be a horrible driver?
You can fly a plane, you can drive a car.
Yeah, that's true.
You'll be alright.
Yeah.
You'll figure it out.
It's just the pedals. I feel like it's like, oh, I'm going to steer at these.
Yeah,
That's
they
like
the pedals definitely don't steer in the car. Lesson number 1.